welcome back to my channel. My name is Aman and in this video I'm going to be talking about a very important topic, which is coronavirus. So guys, Covid-19, or a more commonly used name coronavirus, up till now has no vaccination or cure, and it is highly contagious and very deadly. So in this video I'm going to be telling you a few tips to keep you guys safe and yeah. So guys, the first point is that coronavirus is highly deadly to heart disease, diabetes and blood pressure. These three patients are you should take extra care because it is like the most dangerous to them. Yeah. And guys, the second point is wear mask and gloves wherever you go. It's the mask. Please purchase these type of masks, please. You should definitely get these because they are really important for the environment. Yes, you should definitely care for yourself. And guys, the third point is that if you're going out, or like not even going out, if you're just like going and you don't have gloves on, please don't touch your face, mouth and eyes unless you're absolutely sure that your hands are clean. Yes, and please don't touch them. And when you're going out, like you're wearing gloves and touching unnecessary surfaces and like touching to your mouth, it is no use of wearing gloves. Please don't do that, please. And if you're like going out and don't touch your hands like open door like this. Open doors with like your elbows, yes. Or if you have to press the elevator button, you can either use your elbows. Yes, please do that. It is really important. And always, point number 3 is always carry a pocket-sized sanitizer wherever you go. The company is not a specific choice. You can use any, but please carry a sanitizer. Yeah, and don't let even anyone else. Don't let them touch your mouth. This is really important. And guys, one more thing. If you know that someone is sick and okay, he or she does not have proper symptoms, but still like 1 or 2, please stay away. Avoid close contact with them. And if you are like if you're not sure and the person is in quarantine, wear a mask. Okay, please. Whenever you go close to, and avoid. And even if you are sick, please stay at home. Do not go to work or any important places. Yes, please. This is really important. And yeah. And one more thing, guys, that if you know someone who have, asked them to properly quarantine themselves. Yeah. And their plates वगैरह, ask them to like divide it, please. And I'll also say that avoid plastic gloves. They're also not eco-friendly to the environment and they're not that protective. So try to use rubber gloves. Yes, they're more protective and they're also eco-friendly. It is really important. And one more thing I want to say is that except for physical contact, greet people with words verbally. Yes, because do not shake hands or yes, please. And guys, one more thing I wanted to say is that please don't take coronavirus easily. Yes, it has killed millions around the world. Yes. And one more thing I wanted to say is that keep your immune system strong. Please eat vegetables and like these type of things, healthy things I would say. And avoid like ice cream, cold drinks and cold things. Try to use hot things because they're like much better for your immune system. Yes, it is better for your immune system. And please, necessarily don't go out and yeah. And guys, so this was it for my video. I know that all of you already must be following these steps, but it doesn't hurt to give a tip. So guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, like hit the notification bell if you want to notify if I post videos. So I'm gonna catch you in the next one. So till then, bye.